Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Verify whether your HyperX Cloud Alpha uses USB or a 3.5mm jack so you know which port to use. Once confirmed, plug the correct cable firmly into the headset and the PC. If USB, use a rear port for stable power. Make sure Windows sound settings are open while you connect so you can watch the device appear. You do this to speed detection and avoid driver conflicts. Progress immediately to the next configuration step. Once the device shows up, set HyperX as your default playback and recording device in sound settings so apps use it automatically. If Windows prompts, install the HyperX driver or Ngenuity app. This unlocks mic gain and virtual sound features. Next, open Device Properties and Advanced Settings to pick 16-bit, 48000HZ for consistent latency and quality. Make sure to test audio and mic levels in Sound Control Panel. These steps ensure correct routing and reduce crackle or clipping. Finalize by testing voice and game audio. Open your preferred app and speak to confirm mic pickup while listening for clarity. If sound is missing or distorted, try a different USB port or swap to the 3.5mm cable to isolate the issue. If problems persist, restart the Windows Audio service or reinstall the HyperX driver. This resets device recognition. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with another device or cable first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.